Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this episode, we will be learning about a vulnerability called upload XSS. It comes under P3 or medium category. So, to explain it a bit, we have to understand that uh, our XSS payloads can be injected through multiple endpoints, and we have to think of various ways how this payload can be injected. So, in this case, uh, we will be injecting our XSS payload uh, using uploaded files. So to trigger the XSS, we have to rename our image with our XSS payload. So in this case, this is our image which I will upload in the server, and I have rename the file with our XSS payload, which will be prompting 97. So let's see what happens when we upload the image. And here we are with our 97 pop-up. So through this vulnerability, we can understand that not only input fields are vulnerable to XSS. We can be creative and we can try testing various kind of XSS on various endpoints. So we have to be creative while we hunt bugs like XSS. I will be demonstrating different kinds of XSS in our upcoming videos, but for now, this is it, and I hope I see you in this next video. Bye bye.